Hey guys and gals, it's Randy from PartsAuto.com. Today we're going to talk about that valve cover gasket that's leaking. Typically, if you pull the spark plug wires out and you can see oil at the bottom, where your spark plug is, it usually means that the valve cover gasket is leaking. Very easy to get to. It's at the very top of the motor, a series of small bolts all the way around. Lift it off. You'll see a rubber gasket that's got the funny shape to it, the same as the valve cover. Clean it up, clean both surfaces up, put a brand new gasket in it. Don't lose it, don't use any silicone. Put the gasket on nice and raw. That silicone can get inside that engine, make its way into an oil passage, and it's a catastrophe. So, easy job, 2 out of 5. Take your time, clean everything up nice and clean with some brake cleaner, and put it back together. Tighten these bolts from the center to the outside of the valve cover. Should have no problem at all. The part you need now? PartsAuto.com.
The part you need